Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products to elevate your lifestyle. Today, we're taking a look at what might be the best festive tabletop tree this season. The 23-inch mini Christmas tree with built-in lights and included ornaments. Whether you're decorating a small apartment, an office desk, or adding a little extra holiday spirit to your home, this compact tree delivers big festive impact. Let's begin with the design. Standing at 23 inches tall, it's compact enough for desks, countertops, and shelves, yet tall enough to make a visual statement. It comes pre-lit with a 35-light multicolor LED string, giving you that classic warm holiday glow without needing to buy separate lighting. The lights plug directly into a standard outlet and are UL certified, so you get a safe, reliable display you can leave on throughout the evening. One of the things that makes this tree feel complete is the decoration set included in the box. You get a star topper, a decorative bow, mini hanging ornaments like bells and balls, and 5 small decorative gift boxes to place around the base. Everything is coordinated and ready to set up. No extra shopping, no mismatched colors, no hassle. Assembly is one of its standout strengths. Setup takes just a few minutes. Unfold the flexible branches, shape them, hang the ornaments, place the topper and bow, plug in the lights, done. No tools needed and no complicated steps, making it perfect for beginners, busy workers, or anyone who wants effortless Christmas decor. The tree is made from lightweight plastic, which makes it easy to move, lift, and store when the holidays end. Despite the lightweight material, once the branches are fluffed and decorated, the tree looks surprisingly full and festive. Its size makes it ideal for personal spaces such as dorm rooms, offices, classrooms, reception desks, or small bedrooms. It also works well as a secondary tree in larger homes. This mini tree also makes a thoughtful seasonal gift. It's perfect for someone who doesn't have space for a full-sized Christmas tree, or who prefers something simple and manageable. It's great for kids' rooms, elderly family members, or anyone who enjoys holiday decor without the time and effort of major decorating. In terms of usability, it's completely plug and play. No batteries required, no replacements to worry about, no additional pieces needed. Just set it up and enjoy. So, should you get this 23-inch mini Christmas tree? If you want festive charm, convenience, and a complete decoration experience without spending hours assembling or coordinating accessories, this tree is an excellent choice. It's versatile, cheerful, and brings instant holiday warmth to any environment, big or small. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more simple, helpful product reviews, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and may your holidays be merry, bright, and beautifully decorated.